What does the preamble of a constitution really mean? Why do we call it the soul of the constitution? Our preamble was inspired by US Constitution but holds roots in Nehru's Objective Resolution of 1946. Think of it as identity card of the constitution. It sums up the entire document in a single snapshot. By 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1976, enacted during emergency, three new powerful words were added: socialist, secular, and integrity, completely reshaping how India defines itself today. The preamble tells us where the Constitution derives its authority from, the nature of our state, and the objectives it seeks to achieve. Sovereign means India is independent and has no authority above it. Socialist does not mean communism, but democratic socialism, ensuring equality of opportunity and ending poverty and inequality. Secular means every religion is treated equally. Democratic means our leaders are chosen by the people and remain accountable. Republic ensures the highest office in the country is elected and not inherited, like the case of monarchy in Britain. Justice in India means no discrimination, no economic inequality, and equal political rights for everyone. Liberty allows us to think, express, and believe with reasonable limits. Equality means no group enjoys special privileges, and fraternity means brotherhood and unity of the nation. The preamble is not just a preface, it's the guiding philosophy of our entire political system. It defines the values we stand on. Courts have debated whether the preamble is part of the constitution. In Berubari, it wasn't. But Keshwanand Bharti case in 1973 changed everything, and later LIC case confirmed that preamble is an integral part. Although it is an integral part of the constitution, the preamble neither gives nor restricts powers of the legislature. It is non-justiciable. And yes, the preamble can be amended, but only if its basic structure is untouched. That is why it remains timeless, even with change. Wrapping this up, in the next video, we'll be discussing part 1 of the Constitution, that is, the Union and its territories. Until then, here are some PYQs. So that's the preamble, not just an introduction, but the soul of our Constitution. If this helped, make sure to like, share, and follow the channel, and don't forget to check out the detailed notes and PYQ answers in the description below.